In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a GIF in your email signature in Gmail. Adding a GIF to your email signature is a delightful way to bring some personality and dynamic flair to your correspondence. It's not just text anymore. A carefully chosen GIF can convey a warm greeting, reinforce your brand, or simply make your message more memorable. Let's dive in and make your email signature pop with some motion. First, you'll need to access your Gmail settings. Open Gmail and look towards the top right corner. You'll see a gear icon representing Settings. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This takes you to a page filled with customizable options, providing an opportunity to make your Gmail experience uniquely yours. Focus your attention on the General tab, usually chosen by default. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Signature. This is where the magic happens. If you haven't created a signature yet, you'll see an option to create one. Click on Create New, and a dialog box will appear, prompting you to name your signature. It's good practice to give it a descriptive name, maybe something like Business Signature or Personal Email, depending on your preference or usage. Now comes the fun part: adding your GIF. You have a couple of options here. If you have a GIF saved on your computer, upload it directly by clicking on the Insert Image icon. This little mountain in a picture frame symbol guides you to select the GIF from your drive. Upload it, and voila, it's part of your signature. Alternatively, if your GIF exists online, click the same icon but choose Web Address URL to paste the link. Just remember, though, using an external link could pose issues for some recipients, as certain email clients might struggle to display GIFs from web links. So weigh your options depending on your audience. After your GIF is inserted, it might not be the perfect size for your signature just yet. You don't want it to overshadow the rest of your information. Click on the GIF, and a small menu appears, offering you size adjustments from small, medium, to large. Pick one that feels just right. Aim for balance, eye-catching yet subtle. We're almost done. Before you get too excited, make sure to save your changes. Scroll to the very bottom of the settings page, and you'll spot that crucial Save Changes button. Clicking here locks in all your adjustments, ensuring your email signature now features that snazzy GIF. And there you have it. You've successfully added a GIF to your Gmail signature, lending your emails a touch of movement and creativity. Whenever you send an email, know that your signature is adding a touch of professionalism with a dash of personality. Happy emailing!